Happy Wednesday, everybody. It is the 25th. Hopefully, you are finishing up all your energy unit work. The quarter ends Thursday, so all of that it needs to be in Thursday. Please check your grade and email me if you complete a missing assignment, and I'll fix it right away so that you know that it has been fixed and that I have fixed your assignments. So again, all work must be in on Thursday. So once you are here, remember you can always re-watch the video from Monday or the video from yesterday, Tuesday. I will, after I'm done taping, put the video up here for Wednesday. And then again, don't forget our live lesson at 1:30 on Friday. And there is the Zoom link there. So hope to see you Friday. Let's now click on the PowerPoint so you know the notes and everything we are discussing today. So hope to see you today live in English, or Miss Hanley, or me. If you have me, I hope to see you live. Don't forget, tomorrow is your math live at 11:30, either with Miss Rodriguez or Miss Hodges, and then Friday science live at 1:30. Right, and that was Monday's work, Tuesday's work, and now today. So today's work is a little bit of catch up and a little bit of new things. So make sure you check your grade, like I said earlier, and fix your missing assignments. There are no new ed puzzles. I know I said I was going to give you 2 this week, but no new ed puzzles. So I just want to give you a chance to figure out ed puzzle and to catch up. Please, if a video is not working, please be specific on which video so I can help you troubleshoot around that. Then your notes that we are going to do today, heat transfer and heat transfer notes, you need to turn to page 72 in your book. So I'm going to click on this blue link right here, and it's going to open up the document. Remember, you can pause and restart and rewatch any part of the lesson so that you can copy down your notes. Again, your top of your page on page 72 in your notebook should say heat energy, energy transfer notes. This again will be on page 72. If you have a highlighter, please highlight what is in bold. If you do not, you can always just underline or use a color pencil or a marker, a light colored marker. Yellow and green is usually good for that too. So heat, our first fact. Heat is a form of energy. Another way to say heat is to say thermal energy. So heat is a form of thermal energy because heat and thermal are interchangeable words, both meaning a form of energy. Temperature. So when we use a thermometer, a temperature measures the amount of heat energy we have. So the higher on the thermometer the temperature is, the larger the number, the more energy or the more heat you have. The lower the thermometer, the less energy and the less heat you have. Okay, so heat always, now this never changes. Heat always transfers from hot to cold. So something that is hot, then to something that is cold. So for example, okay, I have my heater here. So this object is cold. My hand is hot. So hot to cold. So I'm going to put it here, and then you can slowly see the liquid rise because my hand is hot. That was cold. So now this is gaining energy. So the temperature is rising in the liquid, where the temperature is decreasing now in my hand because it went from hot to cold. So my heat is being transferred to the liquid and making the liquid rise in my thing. So if I take the heat away, you can notice slowly that the liquid will come right back down because the heat will be decreasing. So then our first type of heat transfer is conduction. Conduction is heat transfer by direct touch. So again, me directly touching this is heat transfer. This is conduction. Touching it, transferring my heat. You can see the bubbles transferring my heat into this. So this way, this is increasing in heat. Okay, so direct contact to touch. Then convection. Convection is transfers within a fluid or a gas. So convection is only the transfer of heat within a fluid or gas. So think about convection currents that rotate around in a circle. Think about a pot of water that's boiling that rotates around in a circle. That is convection. Hot air rises and cold air sinks. So if you have a two-story house or a basement or something like that, the top level will be hotter than the bottom level because hot air rises because it's less dense and cold air sinks because it is more dense. Okay, now radiation. Radiation is to say rays. Radiation is a transfer of heat by electromagnetic waves. Remember, electromagnetic is another way to say EM waves. It's another way to say light waves, or another way to say transverse. So radiation, heat comes from the sun. So that is the three types of heat transfer. And that is all of your notes for today. So when you're again, you can pause and stop the video as needed. Cool. Heat transfer, hot, cold. Don't forget that. All right, so you have that, and then go back into the PowerPoint. So what you need to make sure is that your blend space should be all done today. Just finish your last tile. That should all be complete. Your Frayer models should all be done as of now. Finish those up if they're not. Your common lit articles should all be done, but if they're not, you need to finish that again. Everything is due by Thursday. All your vocabularies are due by Thursday. But you knew about these. Technically, the due date was last Friday, so I'm giving you this week a chance to catch up before we really start to dive into Earth, is our next unit. So, again, take the matter and energy review practice test in Mastery Connect. Again, this link will tell you how to get into Mastery Connect for your review. So if you click on this link here, it'll take you here so you can take the review test again. Use your notes, use your notes, use your notes, hint, use your notes. You log into your NC Ed Cloud, use your password, you click on Clever, then you click on Mastery Connect icon, and you will see the test that's posted for you. It is due by Thursday. Again, everything is due on Thursday. I hope to see you live at the lesson on Friday and we'll review all this and make sure that we're good to go. All right. See you guys Friday. Bye.